Hello, sweetie. I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a mother cat and baby kitten. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. And like this video. In this lesson, we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something colored. Now let's look at the picture. We can see the head, the ears, the bodies, the tails. Let's look at the picture one more time. Heads, ears, bodies, and tails. Now let's start drawing. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle. The head looks like a circle. Draw a big circle for cat's head. Big circle. And small circle for kitten head. Notice how these circles touch each other. Okay, you drew great circles. Now let's draw ears. Upside down V shape on both sides of circles. V shape and another V shape on the left side. Then draw small upside down V shape on the left side in this shape that starts over here and ends just below this line. And let's draw the same thing on the right side in kitten's ears. Upside down V shape on the left side, on the right side, and the same upside down V shape. Then draw short lines here and here. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw the eyes. Draw two arcs diagonally. The first and the second. The first and the second. Then let's draw noses, oval between the eyes. And add two small U-shape for mouth. The first and the second. Oh, you have great lines! Now let's draw a blush. Circle on the left side and C-shape on the right side. Add the cat. And circle on the right side and backward C-shape. Add the kitten. Now let's add whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we are gonna draw the colors. Draw two vertical lines and connect them at the cat. And draw the same thing at the kitten. Two vertical lines and connect them. That's the way! I like your colors! Now let's draw the bodies. First, let's draw the body of the kitten. Draw a curve on both sides. I start over here, go down, curve left and down. And the same thing on the right side. I start over here, go down, curve right and down. These lines must be on the same level, and let's connect them. Then draw two curves inside the body. The first line starts at the edge of the collar and goes to the middle of this line. The seconds start a little further than in the middle, or the color line goes down and ends here. Okay, you're doing great. Now let's draw the same body for the mother cat. Curve over here on the right side and curve on the left side, and let's connect them. Then draw two curves inside the body. C shape over here and backward C shape on the right side. Now it's time to draw the tails for cat. Two diagonal lines on the right side and circles at the end. Then two curved lines that go up on the left side and circle at the end. Now let's add decoration to the colors. A cat has a heart, and a kitten has a star. And let's add 3 hearts. The first, the second, and the third. That's the way to go! You did it! I like your drawing! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece on Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. In this part, I color quickly. If you don't have time, pause the video and I will wait for you. You will finish coloring this part and then we will continue coloring together. The first step is tracing, then coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Dark brown for ears, dark pink for blush, black for nose, mouth, eye and whiskers. Then I choose green for collar and red for heart. Then I choose orange for kitten. Tracing again. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Blue for star, brown for ears, light pink for blush, and black for nose, eyes, whiskers, and mouth. Wow, you have a wonderful drawing! I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. See you! Bye bye!